Used by more than 1,000 general contractors to monitor projects of all types and sizes, Sensera camera systems integrate all the hardware, software, data connection, and service you'll need in one simple end-to-end solution. From smaller, short-cycle projects to large-scale developments, we've got your site covered with automated visual data collection to generate insights and information about actual status and activities on a construction project. With SiteCloud, you'll have multiple real-time monitoring applications through easy-to-use software for viewing and sharing your job site images, video, and data. Improve productivity and support project execution by allowing team members and other stakeholders to visually monitor progress in real time on any device from anywhere. Review images, annotate, and then share as-built issues with your project's team for immediate resolution before costly rework or delays occur. Simplify your workflows through integrations with Autodesk BIM 360, Procore, and PlanGrid. Plus, with our Site POV mobile application, you can take photos from your own phone that will automatically upload to SiteCloud. Managing project risk is key to on-time completion and profitability. With SiteCloud, you can perform quality assurance checks to make sure project build procedures are in compliance. Download video clips of safety incidents for review, training, and process correction. Automatically monitor restricted areas and receive real-time alerts on safety compliance issues. And provide as-built visual documentation and use detailed weather conditions to support dispute resolution. With Sensera System Solutions, you can win more projects using 4K HD time-lapse video and drone imagery to showcase your project from start to finish. By effectively using technology to demonstrate proactive management of costs and quality, you can market completed projects with time-lapse video and still images. Use your visual documentation assets in company videos, presentations, and bids, and add impactful portfolios to your social media channels. You can promote current projects on your website with live images or streaming video, and provide transparency to the public or project stakeholders. Here at Sensera Systems, we are committed to continuing our product innovations and making doing business easy. We support you every step of the way, and we stand behind our products.